So afraid? Are you so afraid of that's got your mind locked up?
No, I don't understand.
Go over to the morgue and look at all them dead people.
Just explain to me, though. I'm not dumb. Explain to me simply why that house that night. Why they
Which
went
house?
there.
Which night?
The house on Shallow Drive, the Tate house. Why did they go there that night?
Because Tex had been there before. And he went to a familiar place.
And why did they kill people that night? What did they think they
because,
were doing for you?
They freaked out, man. Tex was stoned. Everybody was loaded, man.
He said he wasn't. He said he was coming off an LASD trip. He had a little speed.
A little speed. Well, not around me. He didn't have no speed, because I wouldn't allow no speed on that ranch. I kick ass over there. I take a little grass, a little LSD, but none of that was destructive. Mister, how do we do it? I said, don't ask me how to do it. If you were me and I am you, everything you do is for you, is for me too.
So what did they think?
If you're in one mind, if I am you and you are me and we are all together, and then who's responsible for a calm together over me right now? Ba da 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 da. It's all his fault. And you can ask any of them other girls, and I'll tell you that on the other side of this game, I don't play drugs. I play light, Debbie Dabby, chippy it, but I don't really get down here. Mister, how do we do it? I said, don't ask me how to do it. Criminal behavior's the same. It's mundane in most minds. Criminal will always go to a familiar place. Here's the conversation. My brother's in jail. Now, understand my mind. All my life I've been in jail because they haven't wanted to get me out of jail. I didn't have no brother outside. So I spent years and years and years and years just because nobody would come sign their name and get me out of jail. And the jail couldn't let me out because I didn't have no place to go. So I spent 22 years in prison because I didn't have nobody outside. I can't let somebody that's with me stay in jail. It just ain't, it's not in my makeup, man. I got to get my brother out of jail.
So you needed money to do it.
Well, here's the division between your mind and my mind. Here's where the chamber opens up. When you get in trouble, you go to your mother. You call up mother. I ain't got no mother to call. I don't have enough money to go to a lawyer to get Bobby out. So everybody's standing around. I said, pay me. Pay me what you owe me. Now. And he said, well, how do we do that? I said, get my brother out of jail. He said, how do we do it? I said, I don't know how you do it. I don't care how you do it. Do it.